Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys eye comfort mode setting. How can we on in our Oppo phone? Guys you want to on your eye comfort mode. So guys how can you on and guys how can you use guys your eye comfort mode setting in your Oppo phone? In this video friends I will show you guys. So before starting video friends first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys we will on guys our phone setting to on guys eye comfort mode. After on phone setting guys scroll it friends you can see the display and brightness setting friends tap here. Then guys scroll friends you can see your eye comfort mode guys you want to on guys you can on from this right side. After on guys you can see your screen color will change and guys you can see screen color temperature guys you can adjust guys from here. You want to change into warm color you can change into warm color also friends. Tap here screen color temperature guys you can change from here. So like that guys you can on guys your eye comfort mode in your Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video and we will meet on next video guys. Bye friends.